Now there's a couple of different ways you can do it, but the key here is not damaging your car. You can use like a microfiber towel and get a shim tool up underneath. Don't use metal tools. You don't want to mess up your paint. In addition, you can potentially use fishing line to get underneath and start to cut at that adhesive, right? If you have strong enough fishing line. So you just get it up underneath the edge of the badge and just start to work and cut that adhesive away. Now, the fishing line I have isn't very strong, so it's probably not going to be perfect in this case. But as you can see, yeah, see it's starting to cut through because now the line is about here underneath. So you just kind of work at it, work at it, work at it. The other thing you can do is once you start to get a little bit of a gap, let me set this aside for a minute. Once you start to get a bit of a gap, get underneath it and potentially get underneath it with a trim tool, just like that. So now my trim tool is actually underneath the badge. When I pry this, I want to be very, very careful though, because I really do not want to scratch my paint. But once you get underneath it, you can start to work at the adhesive like that. There you go. Got my microfiber towel underneath my plastic trim tool to give me a little bit of extra cushion as I get underneath here. And remember, the posts are here and here, and you're going to want to pry up on those posts. There we go. Almost off. So when you work this off, you might pull those out. So you gotta look for them, okay? So, same layer of adhesive that you can see on the new one. Those little plastic kind of inserts, I called them sockets a second ago. The little plastic inserts are here and here. If they come out, if they're damaged, you can always get new ones if you need be. But if you're really careful when they come out, it should come out really cleanly, okay? Just like that. Is your chance getting dirt or anything underneath? This may be a one take on this video. I don't normally have a single take on this, guys. Okay, so just peel it off like that. I've got the new one. I've got the right size here for the front. Gonna line up the holes on one side, line up the holes on the other, make sure it's in the right orientation, and then just push right down into place. Just like that. Now, in this Heritage badge case, I really like it because it's got the additional red for the red of the car, which is great, but then just make sure to press on it so that double-sided adhesive sticks down really nicely.